Production says, let's start up now. We'll just use PPE. As a safety professional, what's the best decision? The key here is a hierarchy of controls. We always control hazards at the highest possible level. Eliminate or engineer them out before falling back on PPE. PPE is the last line of defense. It protects individuals, not the group, and it doesn't remove the hazard. Ventilation and engineering control removes the chemical at the source and ensures regulatory compliance. That's why the best exam answer is postpone startup until ventilation controls are fully installed, tested, and verified. This reflects best practice, regulatory requirements, and SMS principles. No exposure before controls are in place. On the OHST exam and in the real world, remember, engineering controls beat PPE. Don't just protect workers, remove the hazard.